She's serving a life sentence for murdering her infant twins, but now Lindsey Lowe demands a new trial.
In just days, the appeals court will hear her case. Tonight, you'll hear it first. News Channel 5's Nick Barris obtained an exclusive copy of Lowe's appeal. Her lawyer says there's a strong case to be made that her convictions should be thrown out.
It's taken more than 2 years, but Lindsey Lowe's appeal will now be heard here by appellate court attorneys. Does she have a strong case? Her new attorney, David Rabin, thinks so.
The evidence was totally insufficient to justify a verdict of that nature.
After 7 days of testimony, it took a jury less than 2 hours to find Lowe guilty of premeditated murder.
The jury has found you guilty.
The judge sentenced Lowe to life in prison for the murder of her newborn twins. Rabin says that never should have happened.
The integrity of the trial was contaminated.
His legal brief targets the key piece of evidence for the prosecution. That would be the interview Lowe gave a detective before her arrest. Prosecutors say she admitted to killing the twins.
Put my hand down there. Over the mouth.
Oh, the baby's mouth? How long would you say you did that for? Till it stopped crying?
Her statement to the police is completely illegal.
Rabin says Lowe was not read her rights, was denied an attorney during questioning, and that the interview should never have been allowed at trial. Rabin also challenges the judge's decision not to permit a defense psychiatrist to testify at trial about Lowe's mental state during that police interview. He would have told the jury Lowe suffered from diminished capacity and had no intent to kill.
The defense had every right to put on a doctor to testify as to what he believed was her mental state at the time.
Could that have influenced the jury?
Of course it would have made a difference. That's the centerpiece of our case, our appeal.
As you might expect, state's attorneys have filed a response here with the appeals court. They argue that no errors were made, that Lowe did receive a fair trial, and that her conviction and life sentence should stand. In Nashville, Nick Barris, News Channel 5 HD.
With the Lowe case about to be heard on appeal, we're now hearing for the first time from Jeremy Smith. He was the father of Lowe's twins. Smith didn't know Lowe was pregnant until a detective called to tell him of the murders. Smith talks exclusively with Nick Barris next Monday and Tuesday at 6.